In this video, Team Edulo presenting you weekly current affairs of the month March. 1st March 2021, MP Cabinet approves law to give life imprisonment to food adulterators. Madhya Pradesh Cabinet has approved Penal Law Madhya Pradesh Amendment Bill 2021 to give life imprisonment to food adulterators. This was informed by Madhya Pradesh Home Minister Narottam Mishra on 26 February 2021. Rajya Sabha TV and Lok Sabha TV have been merged and will now be known as Sansad TV. On 2nd March, retired IAS officer Mr. Ravi Kapoor has been appointed as a Chief Executive Officer of the Sansad TV. Sansad TV will telecast the live proceedings of both the houses of the Parliament on two different channels during the simultaneous sitting of the houses. 2nd March 2021, Nagaland launches first air cargo services from Dimapur Airport. The service was flagged off by Chief Minister Neiphiu Rio. The air cargo service is a joint initiative of the Department of Horticulture, Nagaland, and Airport Authority of India with Air India and Indigo as airline partners. 3rd March 2021, Meghalaya government launches program to help farmers and producer groups. The Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Mr. Conrad K. Sangma, on 3rd March 2021 launched a program that will ensure that farmers and producer groups get the timely availability of better marketing infrastructure, adequate quality of inputs, and transportation facilities. 3rd March 2021, Delhi is on Board of Education. Delhi Cabinet approves Constitution of Delhi Board of School Education. Chief Minister of Delhi, Mr. Arvind Kejriwal, has announced that Delhi Cabinet has given the approval to constitute the Delhi Board of School Education on March 6, 2021. He also stated that there are some 1,000 government schools and 1,700 private schools functional in the Union Territory of Delhi. 4th March 2021, Kieron Pollard hit 6 sixes in an over, only third batsman to do so in international cricket. West Indies ODI and T20 I skipper Kieron Pollard became the third batsman in the history of international cricket to hit 6 sixes in an over on 3rd March 2021. With the 6 sixes, he joined Harshailey Gibbs and Yuvraj Singh, who are the only two cricketers to have achieved the feat previously. 4th March 2021, Ease of Living Index 2020, Bangalore Shimla ranked as most livable cities of India. The Ease of Living Index 2020 has ranked Shimla and Bangalore as the most livable cities in the country. The index was released by the Ministry of Urban and Housing Affairs. Bangalore has been ranked first in the category of million plus population and Shimla in less than a million category. 5th March 2021, PM Modi awarded CeraVec Global Energy and Environment Leadership Award. Says Indians are leader in caring for environment. 6 March 2021, 75% reservation in private job for the local people of the state, ordered by Haryana government. Haryana goes vocal for local in private job. The Governor of Haryana, Mr. Satyadev Narayan Arya, has approved a bill to reserve 75% jobs in private sector for the people of the state Haryana. Reservation will be provided in every company, trust and society. Thus, the Haryana State Employment of Local Candidates Act 2020 has now come into force in the state of Haryana. 6 March 2021, the President will inaugurate the All India State Judicial Academy's Directors Retreat at Jabalpur, Madhya Pradesh on 6 March 2021. Happy Women's Day. I want every girl to know that her voice can change the world. Feminist isn't about making women stronger. Women are already strong. It's about changing the way the world perceives that strength. Happy International Women's Day to all from Team Edulo. Thank you for watching.